How to create a progress bar like this in Premiere. Drag your video into Premiere Pro and drag it onto the timeline. In File, go New, Legacy Title, and select OK. Grab the rectangle tool and make your shape on the top of your video. Here we can change the colour. Select, choose your colour, and select OK. Close the window. Grab your progress bar and drag it onto the timeline. Place it on the top layer and drag to the full length of your video. In Effects, search Crop and drag the effect onto the progress bar created. In Effect Controls, go down to Crop, select the clock icon next to right to make the first anchor. Drag to the end of the timeline, select again to make the second icon. Increase the percentage and you'll see the progress bar decrease in size. Swap the position of the first anchor with the second anchor. Drag to the end, hit play, and there you go.